Ito po with the time down to 17 seconds. They will take that final shot, no? Panalo-talo dito. Lago escapes! Lago converts! What a getaway!
Maintain the intensity they want on defense.
Sampu na yung binubuhat niya. Back-to-back 3-point baskets. And Lago rings the bell. Tumira, wala. Andun si Lago for the rebound. He follows up. Ginamit ang kaliwa. And that's only the second field goal para sa komunan ng Pure Foot.
Yes.
Lago.
Takes a three. Yes! Muling sinagot ni Elmer Lago yung pag-atake ng Gordon's free lane to the basket. Elmer Lago goes up, gets another 2 points.
That he can keep Aquino seated down.
Napakaganda ng cut ni Elmer Lago. He got a perfect feed.
What that he plays. Again, look at that second cut, Jerry.
Elmer Lago, offensive rebound na naman.